Hello guys, my name is Rizqi Alanuari. I'm here to show you my short presentation. It's about artificial intelligence. Replace how human works. Is it possible or isn't? But first, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancement in machine learning and deep learning are creating paradigm shifts in virtually every sector of the tech industry. AI can do things like solving problems, understanding and translating language, recognizing speech, sound, and visual objects. AI can work continuously. They can get sick. The only thing to worry about is the hardware still can be broken. Many experts believe that the artificial intelligence of computer will eventually surpass the natural intelligence of humans. Carefully taught Scott Pelley in the edition of 60 Minutes. AI is going to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind. Lee is a pioneer in artificial intelligence, predicted that artificial intelligence potentially eliminate 40% of jobs within 15 years. He also said AI will replace jobs that can be automated like robots are doing in factories. It will also potentially replace many white-collar tasks in the field of accounting, healthcare, marketing, law, hospitality, and other areas. One study estimated that about 400,000 jobs were lost to automation in U.S. factories from 1990s to 2007, but the drive to replace human with machinery is accelerating as companies struggle to avoid workplace infection of COVID-19 and to keep operating costs low. The U.S. hit around 40 million jobs at the peak of the pandemic, and while some have come back, some will never return. One group of economists estimate that 42% of the jobs lost are gone forever. This replacement of human with machine may pick up more speed in coming months as companies move from survival mode to figuring out how to cooperate while the pandemic lags on. Robots could replace as many as 2 million more workers in manufacturers alone by 2025, according to a recent paper by economists at MIT and Boston University. They were suddenly cleaning floors at airports, taking people temperatures. Hospitals and universities deploy Sally, a sound-making robot created by tech company Cobotics to replace the Nihal employees. So, the conclusion is we won't know what will happen in the future. Maybe AI will eventually take over your job too, or it probably won't be like that. But myself is curious to know how much technology will evolve. By seeing the rapid development of technology, it feels like we can do almost anything in the distant future. So, just that is my short presentation. Here's my reference. Thanks to this reference, I can make this short presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a good day. Bye.